people. About to do the oil change on the 2017 Audi A3. Okay, over here. This morning using the Valvoline full synthetic European grade. This is the model filter you're looking for. You'll also need a filter remover, plug remover, and new oil plug. Very necessary when you're doing the oil changes on these cars. Engine cover to remove, right? But you see here, there's your oil pan here. Everything here is plastic. Not so. This is your plug for this key. There's your oil pan plug right here. Put it in and start turning. That is it. And now I run out. This is your filter housing right here. Use the tool. This is how you remove your filter. Turn the key too hard. That is the finish you're looking for. Luckily, I had an extra plug. I broke the last one.